Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to delete your Wombo Dream account. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, this right here is my Wombo Dream account. And right now, I want to delete it. Well, it's quite easy. Simply follow me step by step. At the top right, you will see the setting button right here. It can be either on the profile section or the home section. At the top right, you can see the setting button. Click on it. Now from here, you will be redirected to the settings page. Well, this is it guys. This is the page we are looking for. Denote from here, you can simply change your profile picture. You look at your username and such. But right now, all we want to do is delete the account. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a button like this, just below reset password. That is delete account. Click on it right now. Now it will ask for your confirmation. Simply hit on delete in case you want to delete your account. Right now I do want to delete it, so I'm just gonna click it. Well guys, that is it. As you can see, our Wombo Dream account is being deleted. That is it guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.